Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning without wasting our time. So is my voice audible to you all? Very good. Okay, so before we start our live class, let me tell you how can you join in live. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay, so this is the rules of our live class. You just have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be only on the comment box. Okay, and don't chat with each other. Okay, and you should have to obey this guideline. Huh? So if you start chatting with each other, then you will face a problem while watching the videos. Okay, and it is a special request to all of you. Just have to make the note of the important points only after watching the video. Okay, as you know that this is a permanent video, you can find anytime from YouTube, you can watch anytime. So you can watch this video twice, and after that you will make some notes. Okay, so here was the special surprise for all of you that as you know that we have started Aveti spoken English class along with Aveti coding class, which is absolutely free for all of you. Okay, so don't waste your time and start your registration. Our registration line is always open. So this is the link for the registration for coding class, that is https://bit.ly/Aveti coding class, and the link for registration for spoken English class is https://bit.ly/Aveti spoken English. Okay, so here I'm sharing a screen before you that you can see that so many students are connected in Zoom app while attending our Aveti Spoken English, which is an initiative by our Aveti Learning. So if you want to have your face in this screen, then you just have to register first. Okay, already thousands of students have registered their name, and the Odisha along with the India will see you through this channel. Okay, which comes only on Sunday. So don't waste your time. Within a few days, you will able to speak a fluent English. Okay. So welcome to the quiz session. I hope all of you have got an idea about whatever we have discussed in our last classes. So here is the questions, and you should have to identify the patterns of the declarative sentences. Okay, here we go. The first one is they eat. They eat. What is the pattern of this declarative sentence? Don't waste your time, don't chat with each other. Otherwise, you will fail to have the important information through this video. Okay, so the good students are they who always attentively attend in this live class. I love them. So they eat. What is the pattern of this given declarative sentence? The first one is SV, second one is SVO, third one is SVOO, fourth is SVOC. As we know that S stands for subject, V stands for verb, O stands for object, and C stands for complement. So in this sentence, how many patterns are there? It's very easy. It's already seen that they is subject, it is verb. So what is the pattern? SV. All of you have given the right answer. The pattern is SV. Okay, because they is subject, it is verb, subject plus verb, and the pattern is SV. Clear? Okay. Now let's move on to question number 2. Amrit reads newspaper. So what will be the pattern of the given declarative sentence? A. SV, B. SVO, C. SVOO, D. SVOC. What is the pattern? Quickly write down the answer. Don't chat with each other. All of you are Avathians, right? All of you are having a good concept that so many messages are there. You send us messages and you feel so proud that you are Avathians, right? We are belonging to a use family, that is Avethi family. So is it sounds better that the Avathians are starting chatting with each other without answering the question? Is it sounds good? No. Then why should we chat with each other? This is just wastage of time. And suddenly, as per your central government have already declared that schools reopens very soon. Okay, so just you should have to utilize this opportunity. Okay, so quickly write down the answer. Amrit reads newspaper. What will be the pattern? See, Amrit is subject, reads is verb, and newspaper is object. Then what will be the right answer? Exactly. SVO, subject plus verb plus object, where Amrit is subject, reads is verb, and newspaper is object. Clear? Now let's move on to question number 3. He gave me a book. What will be the pattern of this given declarative sentence? SV or SVO or SVOO or SVOC? What will be the right answer? Just should have to guess. Just you have to analyze. Okay? You just synthesize, you just analyze you just have to post-mortem. You just have a post-mortem on this sentence, then you will get a conclusion. Okay, you just break the sentence with word and identify what the word represents, and then you can get the right answer. So let's have a postmortem on this statement. Okay, so he is subject, gave is verb, me is object, indirect object. Okay, a book is direct object. So SVOO is the right answer, where subject plus verb plus object plus object. Okay, where he is subject, gave is verb, me is indirect object, and a book is direct object. So the pattern of this given sentence, he gave me a book, is SVOO. Now let's move on to question number 4. Mr. Prabhat is a doctor. Mr. Prabhat is a doctor. So what is the pattern? Is it SV or SVO or SVC or SVOC? What is the pattern? Again, Just analyze, just focus, just understand carefully, just focus on the sentence carefully, and you will get the right answer. Okay, so Mr. Prabhat is a doctor. Okay, all of you have given the right answer. So let's have a look. See, here Mr. Prabhat is subject. Is verb. And a doctor means what? Mr. Prabhat is means Mr. Prabhat is what? Mr. Prabhat atanti. Mr. Prabhat kon atanti? Mr. Prabhat is a doctor. Mr. Prabhat ଜଣେ ଡାକ୍ତର ଅଟନ୍ତି. So ଏଇ doctor ଶବ୍ଦଟି ଯୋଗୁ ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟଟିରେ ପରିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣତା ଆସିଲା. Okay, so the word a doctor complete the sentence, so it is known as a complement. So the pattern is SVC, subject, verb and complement. Okay, so this is the right answer. All of you given the right answer. See, this is subject plus verb plus complement, where Mr. Prabhat is subject, is verb, and a doctor is a complement. Clear? So, let's move on to question number 5. The result proved him wrong. The result proved him wrong. What will be the right answer? What is the pattern? SV, SVO, SVOO, SVOC. Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Don't waste your time with chatting with each other. Over? Oh my god, so quickly you gave the answer. Oh my god, so fast, so fast, so fast. Yes, very good, very good. So let's see. The result is subject, proved is verb, him is object. The result prove him. So ଫଳାଫଳଟି ତାକୁ ପ୍ରମାଣିତ କଲା. କ'ଣ ପ୍ରମାଣିତ କଲା? ତ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ରହିଗଲା ଭଳି ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି. ତ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରମାଣିତ କଲା? ଭୁଲ ପ୍ରମାଣିତ କଲା. Okay, the result proved him what? The result proved him wrong. So the word wrong complete the sentence. Okay, so it is known as complement. So the pattern is SVOC. It is the right answer. Okay, subject plus verb plus object plus complement. Okay, the pattern is SVOC because the result is subject, proved is verb, him is object, and wrong is the complement. Okay, now let's move on to question number 6. He looks worried. He looks worried. And the pattern is SV or SVO or SVC or SVOC. What is the pattern? What is the pattern? सीए व्यस्त जना पड़ुछि. सीए जना पड़ुछि. से कौन जना पड़ुछि? से व्यस्त जना पड़ुछि. आमे जदि कहिबा से जना पड़ुछि बा से देखा जाउछि. से देखा जाउछि माने कोन? से कोन देखा जाउछि? से वरिड देखा जाउछि. अर्थात ए वरिड बा व्यस्त शब्दटी जोगु एही वाक्य रे परिपूर्णता आसिला. तो ताहाले एटा केउ पैटर्न बहन करूछि डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस रो? जल्दी जल्दी कहि दियो. जल्दी जल्दी कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखि दियो. All of you are the best Avetians, the super Avetians, and we love Avetians. Okay, so we proud to be an Avetian, right? Okay. Oh, yes, all of you have given the right answer. So let's have a look upon the sentence. He stands for subject and looks is the verb, and worried is worried. The word worried complete the sentence, so it's is complement of this sentence. So the right answer is SVC, subject plus verb plus complement. So he stands for subject, looks stands for verb, and worried is complement. So the right answer is, the right pattern is SVC. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 7. He answered the questions. He answered the questions. So option A SV, option B SVO, option C SVOO, option D SVOC. So what is the right answer? Quickly, quickly, quick. It is a wonderful feeling having having a brilliant students like you. The good students in every classes, all of you are participating so well, so quickly. You are answering so well. So it's really an amazing moment for a teacher, right? Having students like you. So thank you so much for your support. Okay. Question is there after the question is displayed, suddenly simultaneously so many correct answer, and they are displayed so quickly that it is just I'm just unable to declare who gave the right answer first. Okay, anyways, see, he is subject, answer is verb, and the question is what? Object. So the pattern is SVO is the right answer. Subject plus verb plus object. So he stands for subject, answer is verb, and the questions is object. So the pattern is SVO. Then question number 8. They found him dead. What is the pattern? SV, SVO, SVOO, SVOC. What is the right answer? It's very easy. In our last classes, I think I gave you the example, the same example, I think. The students who have gone through the topic thoroughly and practice the assignments which are in our application, so they can answer so quickly. Okay. Yes, see, they stands for subject, then found is verb, then him is object, and that is complement. So the pattern is SVOC. Who are writing SVOC, then their answer is correct. So subject plus verb plus object plus complement. So they is subject, found is verb, him is object, and that is complement. Okay. So because of that, the sentence is complete its sense. Okay. So the answer is SVOC. The pattern is SVOC. Clear? So students, today is this much. I hope all of you have got an idea about the patterns of declarative sentence. And I'm so happy that all of you have participated so well. And this is called a spirit, and this is called challenge accepted, that all of you are participating so well and so quickly. So this is really very much impressive moment, and I hope all of you have enjoyed this quiz session. So we will meet in our next classes. Okay, so If you still have some queries, some questions in your mind, any doubts, then you can contact us through Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 78940 40614. And as you know that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to ODM medium students during COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. Also, we are providing free spoken English classes and the coding classes, that is also absolutely free. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next session with some new questions, with some new concept, with some new structures, with some new quiz session. Okay, so till then, don't go anywhere. Ask your students to join in our live class, um, so that you can enhance your knowledge during this COVID-19 pandemic, during this lockdown period. Just don't lose this opportunity ever. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.